Hey, Eris.
Yeah!
What are we trying?
Cotton candy blizzard.
We have a cotton candy blizzard. Look at that.
Oh, it's starting to melt.
It is. It smells really good. All right, give it a try.
Let's get the spoon out.
First bite.
Eh.
Oh yeah. Bite that spoon. What's it taste like?
Cotton candy.
Whoops, it spilt a little bit. Yep, remember you gotta lean forward, right? So, what do you think? Is it good?
It tastes like cotton candy.
Do you think other people would like that?
Hey, look.
Oh yeah, do you think, bless you, do you think other people would like that?
Yeah. Oh.
It's okay. Why do you think other people like that?
Because it's good.
Does it taste like cotton candy?
Mm-hmm.
Here's a napkin. Wipe your dress and stuff. So what's the best part?
Moving.
There's no movie.
I said moving.
Oh, the whole thing. It's really, really good. It's got little cotton candy pieces. I had one. Say we got the mini again because say the small is just too big for you. Say it's huge.
Yeah, but the mini means small.
The mininess does mean small, but it's really good, huh?
And that means petite.
Yes, it does. It means petite. So, you gonna eat all this?
I think.
I think so too. So
That's
come
way too much.
Yeah, so come get it, people. Cotton candy blizzard.
Yeah, it's really good.
It's really good. Anything else you want to say about it?
I don't know. You pick.
Anything at all?
You pick.
How about Adi?
No, we're the flowers.
What?
Okay.
You gonna say one more thing? Go ahead. Go.
Adios.
Adios.
Hasta luego.
Hasta luego. What kiss?
Bye. Cotton candy blizzard too.
Bye, cotton candy blizzard too. Bruh, 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 bruh.
Blah. Hey,
Blah.
hey, there's a pizza thing.
Oh yeah, Domino's Pizza went by. You want pizza?
No.
Should we go chase them and get the pizza?
No.
I think let's go. Let's go get them.
No.
So we want our pizza.
No, we're eating ice cream. Remember we ate and we didn't eat ice cream?
Yeah, all right, we did eat.